Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can get active mobile hotspot in your device Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro. So if you want to activate mobile hotspot in Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can activate mobile hotspot in your device.